Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is percentage part 2. Let us see the question. Here part 2 question of percentage, part 1 we have already done. So first question is what? If income of A is 20% more than B, then income of B is how much percent less than A? So this is very important question. So many examinations this type of question generally are. So we will solve this question by the two method. So first we see first question by basic concept. So what is the basic concept for this question? Income of A is 20% more than. So if we know income of B, we can find income of A easily. So suppose this is the two person, one is A and second is B. So income of A 20% more than B. So suppose B income is what? 100. So A income will be what? 20% more, that is 20 more in 100. So we'll get what? 120. Now we know income of A 120, income of B 100. Now my question, then income of B how much percent less than? So you know income of B 100, A 120. So B is how much less from 20? 120. So this is less 20. 20 less than A. Now the same question like part 1. So B is 20 less from A. My question is what? B how much percent less than A? So we are finding percentage less. So technique is what? Less into 100 and divided by comparing. Comparing what? 120. So we can write very easily 20 into 100 and divided by 120. So 26 are 120, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So our answer will be 50 upon 3. So this is 3 1 are 3, 2 remainder 20. So 3 6 are 18, 2 remainder. So this is what? 16 and 2 by 3%. If you want your answer in decimal, so you can write 16 point. 3 6 are 18, again 3 6 are. So this is repeated. So we can write 16.6 bar percent, or we can write simply 16.7%, because here number is greater than 5. So repeating 6 6, if you neglect the next number, we will add here 1. So 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So answer may be 16 and 2 by 3%, correct. 16.66 repeated, correct answer. 16.6 bar percent, this is also right, or 16.7%. This is the basic concept. Now you see what is the tricky approach for this question. So only in one line we can solve this question very easily. So technique is what? Here given more percentage and we are finding less percentage. So simple technique is what? That is less percent equal to given percentage multiplying 100 and divided by what? 100 plus A. So given percentage is what? 20. So we can write easily 20 into 100 divided by 120. So 26 are 120, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So we will get what? That is 50 by 3. So same answer here, 50 by 3. This is also 50 by 3. So we can solve like 16 by 3%, 16.66%, 16.6 bar percent, or 16.7%. Now I am solving second question only by this trick. This is the basic concept you already understood. So trick is most important. So we will use every question of second, third with the help of this trick. Now let us see the second question. So second question is also very important. So we will use the same technique here. Question is what? So style of question is different, but technique is same. If price of sugar increased by 25%, then a person how much percent decrease his consumption so that expense remain same. So again here you are seeing what? Increase percentage is given how much? 25%. And how much percent decrease? So we have to find decrease percent. So trick is what? Percentage less, or you can say decrease same. So percentage decrease equal to what? Given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus x. So here given percentage is 25. So we will write 25 into 100 and divided by 125. So 25 5 are 125 and this is 5 to the 10. So our correct answer is what? 20% is our right answer. So in this way we can solve this type of question very easily without use of any pen and paper, only reading questions and you can find answer. Now see the third question. So here this is the third question. If length of rectangle, so same three question, style different, length of rectangle increased by 10%, then breadth of rectangle how much percent decrease so that area remains same. So again in this question what is given? Percentage increase given, and what we are finding? How much percent decrease. So same technique here, that is percentage decrease equal to what? Given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus given percentage, that is 100 plus 10. So this 0 cancel out, we will get to what? 100 by 11. So if we divide this number, 11 9 are 99. 1 remainder, so 9 and 1 by 11%. This is our right answer. If you want to solve this question as a decimal, so this is 9 is complete. When we take decimals, we become 10. But 10 is also less than 11. So again 1 0, so now it is 100. 11 9 are 99. So our correct answer is what? 9.09. We can write this 9.1% also, because here 9.09% and here 0 and this is greater than 5. So we'll add 1 here. So 9.1% is our right answer.